Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the creating icon bars with CSS. Alright, so this is what we're gonna create in this video. Alright, first of all, let me just show you the elemental structure of the icon bar. Alright, okay, so for creating the icon bar, what we simply need the three elements. We need a div element, and inside that div element we're gonna use the a element, a href element, and inside that element we're gonna use the I element. That's it. Okay, so now let's just go to the code and see how can we create the icon bar. Okay, so as you can see here that this is the code of our icon bar. All right, so now I'm gonna delete this code right at the moment. Okay, one thing that I need to tell you that I'm including the font awesome icons. That's why I have to include this link. So if you just don't know how to include the icons in our web page, I have already created a video on that. I will give you the link in the description and the card as well. Okay, first of all, I'm going to create the div element here, and inside the div element I'm going to use the a href element. Okay, and in this element we're going to use the I element. All right, okay, in the I element I'm gonna use the font awesome icons with the help of the classes they have provided. So I have just written some classes here of the different icons. Okay, so I'm gonna use these classes here. I have to provide a link here, so I'm gonna use this at once at all. Okay, so let's just see how does it look in our browser. Or else I have to, okay, not this, I have to open it with the server. So this is how our icon bar looks like right at the moment. Okay, but we need to make some changes here. So I have to adjust the size here. So we have the icon bar now, but we have to style it right at the moment. So for that I'm going to use the class here. Okay, and I will define that class. Okay, this would be all right. So I'm going to create the class here. Okay, so I'm going to simply do some styling here. Alright, so this is how we create the horizontal icon bar. Now we're gonna simply create the vertical icon bar just by doing some changes here. Alright, so I'm gonna simply copy this code from here. Alright, and paste it again here, and I'm gonna change the name of the class vertical. Alright, and I'm gonna simply copy this code from here and paste it here again, but I'm gonna do some changes here. Alright, for that I don't need overflow right now because we are not using the float property at the moment. The only change which you have to make here is you're gonna use the display property block. That's it. Alright, I'm gonna hit the save. Okay, so I have to save this here as well. So as you can see here, give it a different value here. I think 50px would be fine, I guess. Yes, 50px is fine. Let's just create some space here between the horizontal and vertical. That would be 20px would be fine. Okay, alright, so this is how we create the horizontal icon bar and the vertical icon bar as well. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, and bye bye.